Okay, I got the MinTest application on here. I'm gonna go ahead and burn it. And by the way, I am running Windows 10 on this computer, despite Image Burn saying I have Windows 8 Professional x64 edition installed. I'm gonna go ahead and burn this right to the disk. It's only gonna take about a minute because it's a teeny tiny application. So I was having a graphics issue with this thing. Like every so often I would do something, the windows would start turning black, and then I start getting lines across my screen, and then it would just lock up. No blue screen, no event viewer log, no nothing. Well, I ended up, when I put Windows 10 on here, everybody said you gotta upgrade your graphics drivers after you do it. I was like, okay. So I did. The last time I'll ever listen to anybody. Anyways, I upgraded the graphics drivers, had the problems. What I did to fix it is I removed all the NVIDIA GeForce stuff from here. I reinstalled version 337.88. And I've had a few problems, but they're ones that I can recover from. So, had to get it off my external. Now let's see what we got. Oh, excuse me. Oh, goddamn. So you got a memory problem. I'm going to let this run and see how many actual errors we actually got. So, there's going to be a memory issue. I'm surprised it even booted. So, I'm going to let this run, or you know what, I'm just going to turn it off, because this many errors. See, it's at 256.6, 7, 8, 9, and now it's running through the addresses again. We're just going to turn it off. That last stick of memory that was causing it to not blue screen, but not want to boot, I'm going to pull that stick out and see what it does. That was this last stick I was in question about. I'm also going to test one stick at a time. So I can identify the bad module. Oh, sorry. Oh. Might have more than one bad module. Because it's beeping. We'll set them two off to the side. That's them two there. I'm going to put this one back in here and see what it does. Okay. Got our video back. I'm gonna let this run. So I'm gonna test one stick at a time. So far, this stick I'm not 100% sure on. This stick causes it to beep, so I'm gonna let this do its thing. I'm gonna charge my phone. So I'll see y'all in the next video.